very early in the morning, and of course, what is the first thing I think about when I wake up? Makeup. And I was like, I want to film this video now. So I'm up, I'm ready, and I'm going to be trying lip stickers or lip transfers. There's so many names for them. This company is If you are new to this channel, then you don't know that I'm terrible at pronouncing things, and when I edit my videos, I look back and I'm like, how did I not know what that word is? Do not understand words. What are words? I don't know. But this is J.O. Feng. But I got them off of Amazon, and I'll link them in the description down below. There are so many people that sell them. I got a pack of 10 for $4.99, and I think there's only one use in each of them. And to be honest, I do not know how I came across them or how I found them out. The first design is a Union Jack. Then we have kind of this funky design. It's like a pop art type design. It's got lines and dots on it, and it's pink and yellow. Then we have this. I think this is meant to look a bit like denim. It's got a bit of a texture on top of it. Then we have these, what I think are really, really cool. And they're just kind of an old floral design. Then we have this very bright neon yellow and black kind of animal print, zebra print. Then we have this, and it's kind of a cheetah or leopard print. Then we have like a red heart swirl type design, very Valentine's Day. This, it's like a rainbow geometric type design. This purple, but it's meant to look like a glitter. This purple design with white hearts on it. These are basically transfer tattoos like you'd use as a kid. You put them on your skin, you get a wet sponge, put it over it, and then peel it off. So I want to see how they work for the lips. Obviously everyone has different lip shapes. Obviously I cannot try 10 of these in one video because my lips will fall off. I'm going to definitely test one, see how they come off, because also transfer tattoos you used to have when you were a kid, they could last a while. I don't want to try one that looks a bit like lipstick, so the purple glitter is a no, and I think the red with the swirls could just look from afar like red lipstick. I'm kind of gravitating towards this one because it is kind of the brightest, boldest one. So I'm going to try that. Make sure your lips are 100% clean and free of any kind of beauty products. I'm just going to wipe over my lips with a makeup wipe because I did have lip balm on this morning. Always shape, size and apply the lips when the mouth is in the position. That is so cool how they've described that. So when your lips are kind of stretched out. Never cut from the top line of the top fashionable lip pattern. Never cut from the bottom line of the bottom fashionable. So that is the transfer, and then if you look at the back, it has a diagram and kind of instructions on where to cut. It said stay outside your inner lip waterline. So the scissors I'm using are these tiny little sewing scissors, or you can use nail scissors. For example, this is the top lip, and it says do not cut the cupid's bow or anything out. But these are very big, so this is gonna be the most fiddliest thing of my life. If this works, this would be honestly amazing for festivals. God, I'm scared, okay? That is so cool. It is a tiny bit wonky at the bottom, but this is the first time I've done this, so I'm actually loving it. Kind of looks like a bee and not a zebra, but oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to move my mouth too much because it's still wet. If I have any loose ends or anything, I cut them off with the scissors. But when you do that, obviously be super, super careful that you're going at your face with scissors. I look insane right now. Why did I pick this one? It's like the least wearable one. I just thought it was the craziest, so I thought, right, let's try that one. Do I even try this with makeup? Because I don't know what makeup's going to go with this unless it's like a festival. But there's one thing that you can do with this is you can go over your natural lip line. Because I did on the top lip, kind of by accident, but I overdrew my lip lips anyway. If you want it to look like you've got fuller lips, you can do that, and you really cannot see. I am going to put some makeup on. This is like my final look. I don't know where I could wear this. I don't know. This is kind of cute though. I find that the bold ones are kind of like for festivals or for fancy dress or for Halloween, or if you just want to really stand out, you can wear this where you want. As the lips are a little crazy, I didn't want to go natural on the eye because you need an all-round edgy look. It does look like a bumblebee stripe, which is quite fitting really for me on this channel, but I am so impressed by them. I will put some lip balm over them because they really recommend light lip balms, and they actually said on the back of it that EOS balm, the EOS Sphere balms, are really, really good, and I've got one of them somewhere, so I'll have to find that and put that on. But I feel like if you put a gloss over the top of it, it's going to make it wet, and obviously if it gets wet it's going to move and things like that. So I think this is so cool. Like, I honestly think this is so cool. The Union Jack ones will look incredible, as well as the leopard print. It's how to do quick, easy lip art. Lip art is so in right now. See if it cracks. No. Obviously, you don't have to go as crazy as this. You've got to remember there are some, that's a bright blue one, Brooke. But you've got a purple glitter, you have a red one here, and they do really, really natural ones as well. So if you just wanted a lipstick that will really, really last and that you can't really feel, I feel like these are a great option, believe it or not. I decided I want to film me attempting to take this off. First of all, I'm going to try with the makeup wipe. Obviously, be really careful around your lips because the skin on your lips is much thinner than the rest of your skin. So it's super sensitive, so just be careful. Yeah, I didn't think that would work. Don't know if you can see, it's taking like the top residue off. It is coming off. Let me zoom you in. Hey, look at that. That honestly shocked me because I was nearly 100% sure that I would need to put like oil on my lips and things like that. So that's a 10 out of 10 for me for removal. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button down below because it does really help me and this channel out, and I'm not just saying it. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button so I'll see you in my next video. In the description, I will link where I got this from, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.